Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today we're talking about when you take your car to get it repaired, make sure you always get a readout of everything they've done to your car, because they could be ripping you off. I have an example here. I had this car in for other work, timing chain, tensioner on this one and everything, and I found this in the glove compartment from another. He brought this car to some other place. I'm not going to call out the name because a lot of people do this and it's wrong. All right, this bill came out to $2,900, and I saw about $700 of work that wasn't done. Okay, perfect example. They did a coolant flush. They did not do a coolant flush. I can see that the coolant is not brand new. Okay, this car has 50,000 miles on it. No reason well, you could do a coolant flush, yes. I mean, it's always good to do it every 2 years, but it wasn't done. Okay, here. Let me just show you things over here. Yeah, you see this? All right. Power steering flush, removed all fluids, flush complete. That all sounds great, right? That they did it. Your power steering is nice, great. All right, this car has electric steering. Okay, it's not hydraulic. It's electric. Okay, that was a blatant ripoff. All right, $85. All right, transmission fluid change. And how I know this, because he told me he dropped the car off, an hour later it was done. You can't do all this work in an hour. Okay, transmission fluid. No reason to change the transmission fluid on a 50,000 mile car. All right, $101. That was just for the labor, which they didn't do. Okay, then they charged. Where's the oil? Here, auto transmission fluid, $253.94. All right. When they do it, usually they have, a lot of times if they have to get the fluid, you could ask for the old containers, but sometimes they have them in big jugs and you can't. But you could ask them I want to see the old fluids. All right. And once they see that you're a picky customer or you have a little bit of knowledge, they may not take you or may not rip you off. All right. Now, mind you, this $697.27 is not even with this transmission fluid. So that's going to easily bring it to $1,000 that they didn't do. I'm pretty sure they didn't do most things. All right. They said they did the brakes. I saw the brakes were done. All right. Brakes and rotors. They said they greased the pins and everything. Nothing was greased. Okay. What other stuff in here? Cabin air filter. I checked it. It's all dirty and dusty. They didn't replace that. Okay, rotate the tires and balance them. They didn't rotate them. And why would you want to rebalance them if there was nothing wrong with them? Okay. I mean, this person just decided to just pay, and pay,